Hey guys, Steven Smith here with MarineMax in Houston, doing a quick walkthrough video with you guys today on a brand new Grady-White 2019 251 Coastal Explorer. This is a really cool hybrid bay boat slash offshore boat, perfect for the family. At 25 feet, it can run all around the bay, but also you could potentially take it offshore. At the front of the boat here, you'll see we've got a full casting platform, but there's cushions that go on top of it as well. This insert right here is removable, so you can make a U-shaped seating design. And also both of these backrests here come up to make forward-facing seating. There's a reboarding ladder at the bow, extra rod holders on the sides here on the way back. This is a cooler that flips up. That's an insulated cooler that drains down overboard. As we make our way over here on this side, we've got a large, oversized head compartment. You've got your porta potty there. You'll see at the helm there's plenty of room for a couple 12-inch displays, VHF radio. We've got the upgraded Fusion audio head unit that has storage for your phone in there, USB auxiliary capabilities, all of the above. Your Yamaha engine information's here. This boat does have the digitally controlled 300 horsepower Yamaha engine, and we've also got it with a hard top on it. And you'll notice we painted it, the underside of the hard top to match the exterior gel coat. Tilt steering, the upgraded leaning post design with the additional bait well. There's another bait well at the transom I'll show you in just a second. You've got rod holders on the back of the leaning post. You'll see on the sides we've got lockable rod storage, so your reels can be locked in that position there, and then the rods go forward. More cushions at the back that are also removable. These will flip down and go flat. You can take the cushions off. You have a casting platform back here, or you put it into full family function mode with forward-facing seating for extra comfort. There's an additional bait well here, storage under the seats on both sides there, and a nice reboarding ladder at the back too. It's the perfect family-friendly Galveston bay boat. You could run it offshore. It's made by Grady-White. This is the 251 Coastal Explorer. Come see it at MarineMax Houston today. My name's Steven Smith.